Hello, welcome guys. How are you all doing? Today we are going for another day out trip to Rutland Water. So it's a nature reserve and it's a very beautiful place to go on a nice sunny day. As you can see, it's a nice sunny day here in UK. So we are leaving right now towards Rutland Water and let's go guys. We'll go there and I'll show you around there. Let's go. Hello and welcome everyone. So we are here at Rutland Waters. As you can see, it's a lovely day and we are walking around. I'm just going to the car to get some stuff and I think we got some more family coming in, just trying to tell them where we are. And you see around here there's lovely beaches and it's nice, lovely day. I'll take you around to more places to show what's over here. So Rutland Water has 4 entrances. The one I am here called Sykes Lane, and over here they have a man-made beach as well. If you see, this is the man-made beach, and obviously you can do boating, sailing. There's a lot of things canoeing you can do around here, and it's a nice, pleasant place to come around. And on one of the other end, they have a historical buildings as well. But that's like on the other side of the thing. I don't know if I can show you from here. Let me see if I can find and show it to you, but I doubt it. So this is more kind of like a beach kind of entrance. And it's a lovely place if you come out for a day out with your family. It's a nice place. It's about 40 minutes drive from Leicester city, so say about 30 miles something, not very far. There's like boats, I don't know if you can show, yeah, there's boat sailing over here. Then obviously we've seen a speedboat over here as well. So it's nice. And they have places for barbecue as well, and obviously there are some stands over here. If you see on that side, they have installed stands, or you can bring your own barbecue and do it over here. That's not an issue. People are swimming over here. There's a board outside, notice board saying swimming is not allowed, it's dangerous. But I think the water is too high up right now. As you can see, there is no sand. I think it's all covered with water. That's probably why that's it. But still, there are people over there still swimming. It's kind of lake over here, and it's like ducks and stuff. It's really nice. Wild nature reserve, you can see. So this is like car park. It's quite a big car park over here. It's like different extended car parks where you can, if it's full, the first one is full, you can go in the extended one. Here is the tourist information center. Next to that is public toilets and some shops to buy ice cream and stuff like that. So yeah, they have good facilities around. It's nice if you are a cyclist or if you come for a long walk. You come over here, there's a children play area on this side. So if you want to come for a cycling day out, you can come with your family. They got a nice cycle route around the area. It's quite big, I think about 4 miles. I'm not sure, but I will confirm it. And there's a pedestrian walk as well. You can hire cycles around here as well and do cycling. So yeah, they have quite a lot of facilities, the boating and stuff like that.